Hey guys, you got Chris and Sean with talking through the medias. Okay, okay, so yes, so we're gonna be doing a reaction to a video that's trending right now.
Tell them about the video, Sean.
Tell them about this shit about apparently Kanye West on the Ellen DeGeneres show talking about his kids. This guy's a little bit of a lunatic to me. I mean, I respect his, his rise to power, so to speak, and his, he's really made himself, his I don't give a fuck attitude is honor, is respectable. I think
he should run for president.
Yeah, no. I hate to say it, but part of me kind of would rather have Kanye West as president than Donald Trump. That is horrible. Holy shit.
Anyone but Hillary.
Yeah, nasty bad breath bitch. All right. So let's go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Congratulations on the brand new baby. He's how old now? 5 months?
So you got a brand new baby. Woo!
You know who the mother is.
Look at that. Aww. Look at that. Not a care in the world. He is.
Look at that.
Millions of dollars.
Look at that.
We do feel, Porsche and I feel responsible for naming him. We sent you, remember that?
We heard you're responsible for making him.
And she sent St. Vincent, but it's pronounced Saint. And I knew you were going to see Saint and go, do you remember that? We were sending tons of names, and then you wrote back, I like Saint.
He almost looks kind of special right there.
I think I swear, I think he's high. I think he's high on this. I think he was high.
We were sending a million names.
I think he's like really fucking high.
Look at him. He's almost cross-eyed.
All right. Well, it happened. And how is the North is a big sister? She's good?
Yeah, she's awesome.
She's not jealous in any way?
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But mostly, does she do anything to like take care of him, or she's too young?
No, she does.
I can hear it inside the in the headset. We're perfectly in sync right now.
Prop him up on the pillow. Sometimes.
That does sound advanced. Now, are you done, or will you have more children? Do you want more children?
Maybe.
Does Kim want more children?
Perhaps.
That's not.
Wow, these are like some one-word answers.
Yeah.
That's what she said?
Yeah, she doesn't.
Yes,
she doesn't want
maybe.
more.
Okay.
But
I'm a god.
He's actually smiling in this fucking video, which is, I'm surprised he didn't look at the camera.
I'll tell you what's
You know that face he does, Chris? Or he realizes he's being washed, and also, it just goes.
He's always got like things in his cheeks, so it's all.
Like he'll be looking over here, guys, and then he'll look over. Like he realizes he's being watched, and so that smile just.
He's like, yeah. Mm-hmm. He's like, he's like, it's my new child. She's what was the kid's name? Saint West.
Saint, not Saint. No, Saint.
My name is Saint. Ha! I'm gonna I could already see like Kim Kardashian in labor, like about to give birth, and he's like, I'm gonna let you finish, but our first child is the best child of all time. Like,
you even sounded like him there for a second. You're like, what was going on? He's like, I was high as a motherfucker.
Exactly. I'm like, dude, I mean, he according to the news, he went on like an 8-minute rant and just like nonsense. And I'm like, you know what? I used to cut for him, and like, my blackness would not allow me to say anything bad about Kanye West, but I can't cover for him anymore. Just like O.J. Simpson, I can't do it. I can't. Okay, I concede, sir. He's fucking crazy. So.
But anyway, OJ's a little crazy.
Yeah, no, I'm talking about Kanye.
No, he's crazy as fuck too. Both of them fuckers are crazy. But then again, there's a lot of people that are crazy.
I can't cover for it anymore. So I don't know what was going on. I swear, I think he was like on something that day. I don't know if it was marijuana or whatever, but he was. I don't know. I can't explain it anymore. Kanye West is just special right now.
Oh, he's very special.
Very special. He's like, ha! I'm a god. I remember that video where he's like, what do you mean? Who do you think I am? I told you, a god. I'm like, you're a god? Really?
Did you see the radio interview? And it was kind of like a radio interview where the guy, he was like,
Hot 97.
You can't tell me you don't know about this. You don't know about this. He was bitching the guy out.
But you wasn't this way. You wasn't.
Yeah, that's a good one. You don't know.
You wasn't this way.
And the guy's like, chill, man, just relax. He's like, no.
And they're friends.
Yeah, he's like, you're not on my level. You're not on my level.
You're not on my level. Nobody knows what I go through. I'm a genius. Sway.
Did you hear the I'm 50% Picasso, 50% with he was like, and it was
I'm better than anybody living or dead. Anybody.
I'm a millennium for 2000
from anybody from history.
Yeah.
You know, he was saying the craziest stuff.
50%.
It's like, oh my God.
Yeah.
I'm better than the Sphinx. I'm better than the Sphinx, the pharaohs, all the Egyptian gods. I'm better than all of them because I'm a god.
We could use that, guys. We could use that. We could make some funny Kanye West skits. Guys, if you want to see us because we're going to be, I don't know if we've told you guys or not, but we're going to be actually making some original skit material stuff. And it's not just going to be me and Chris, although some of them are going to be just me and Chris. If you guys want to see us make fun of, use Kanye West and some of this, just let us know down the box. Chris is very.
I get upset when sometimes people tell me I kind of look like Kanye West.
Oh,
but I hate
you're going to be Kanye West in these videos because
like I don't see it, Sway. I can't see it. I'm a YouTube god. Okay, click the subscribe button and send a comment. Okay.